Let me teach you in this video how to solve this type of question where you have 9 over 4 raised to the power 9 over 4. You can see that the base is a fraction, the exponent is also a fraction. Let's solve it step by step and see what we are going to get. This is equal to, let's simplify first of all what we have inside the bracket. Inside the bracket you have 9 over 4, and you know that 9 is 3 over 2 and 4 is 3 raised to the power 2 and 4 is 2 raised to the power 2, all raised to the power 9 over 4. This is equal to, since we have common exponents, let's write it in this way: 3 over 2 raised to the power 2, then multiply by 9 over 4 that we have there. And at this point you see that this 2 can divide itself to give you 1. 2 can divide 4 to give you 2. And the fraction is now 9 over 2. This is equal to 3 over 2 raised to the power 9 over 2. So our work now is going to be in the exponents. We'll keep simplifying this exponent 9 over 2 until we get our final answer. So what do we do now? This is equal to 3 over 2 raised to the power 9 over 2. And the 9 can be written as 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is also equal to 9. This is the same thing as 3 over 2 raised to the power 4 plus 5 over 2 is the same thing as 4 over 2 plus 5 over 2. They mean the same thing. And what we have down there is 3 over 2 raised to the power 4 over 2 plus 5 over 2. This is equal to 3 over 2 raised to the power 4 over 2 is 2 plus 5 over 2. At this point, what will happen now? We are going to apply this law of indices, multiplication law of indices. A raised to the power m plus n is equal to a raised to the power m multiplied by a raised to the power n. Then when we apply this particular law here, then we can now expand this thing to be in this form. This one is going to be equal to 3 over 2 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 3 over 2 raised to the power 5 over 2. This is equal to this particular 2 here that is outside the brackets belongs to everything inside the bracket. So this one is 3 raised to the power 2, which is 9, and 2 raised to the power 2, which is 4, multiplied by 3 over 2. We are going to simplify again this particular 5 over 2 we have here, and 5 over 2 can also be written as 4 plus 1 over 2. Then we continue again. We have 9 over 4 multiplied by 3 over 2 raised to the power 4 over 2 plus 1 over 2. This is equal to 9 over 4 multiplied by 3 over 2 raised to the power 2. Dividing this place, 2 dividing 4 is 2. We have 2 here. Then plus 1 over 2. So from this place, let's continue from this place now. So what we have here is 9 over 4. We have 9 over 4 here. So we write 9 over 4 multiplied by 3 over 2 raised to the power 1, raised to the power 2 plus 1 over 2. This is equal to 9 over 4 multiplied by 3 over 2. Applying that multiplication law of indices, I have raised to the power 2 multiplied by 3 over 2 raised to the power 1 over 2. This is equal to 9 over 4. You can see at this point that we have another exponent 2 outside the bracket. It belongs to everything inside the bracket. So we are going to say 3 raised to the power 2 is 9 over 2 raised to the power 2 will give you 4. Multiplied by this particular place, now we have 3 over 2 raised to the power 1 over 2 can also be written as the square root of 3 over 2 according to law of indices. This is equal to 9 over 4 multiplied by 9 over 4 multiplied by square root of 3 over 2 can also be written as 3 over root 3 over root 2. So from this place, let's use 9 to multiply 9 here. And then we have 9 times 9 will give you 81 over, we use 4 to multiply 4, and we get 4 times 4 is 16, multiply by, this place we are going to rationalize this thing now, to remove this particular sort. And to do that, we have square root of 3 over square root of 2, multiply by, use the sort at denominator to multiply. We have root 2 over root 2. And when we do that, we get it's 1 over 16, multiply by root 3 times root 2 is root 6. Root 2 times root 2 is 2. Then we multiply the numerator. It's 1 times 6 is 8. It's 1 times root 6 is 81 root 6. And 16 times 2 is 32. 32. So the final answer to this question is it's 1 root 6 over 32. That gives us the correct answer. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.